Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Java Beam and this is Satya. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to install PyCharm IDE into your Windows 10 laptop or desktop. In short, we say it is PC. PC nothing but PyCharm editor. This is widely used for Python development. Let me go to Chrome browser. I am using Chrome browser. You can use whatever your favorite browsers. Search for PyCharm installation. Here, you can choose the second option JetBrains Python IDE for professional development. So clicking on this is the official website. JetBrains are creators of PyCharm IDE. Here you can choose operating system Windows, Mac or Linux depending on your requirement. Then choose the options professional or community. Community version is purely for Python development. If you are using for HTML or JavaScript and SQL support, you can go with the professional version. Yeah, I'm going to download the community version. Let me click download and it is getting downloading. So meantime, I already downloaded PyCharm community version 2020.2.1.exe. Without wasting time, we can go ahead with this exe. The download may take time, so I already have downloaded that exe. I am double clicking this one to start the installation wizard. Here click S to continue and click next. This is a installation wizard setup, and here you can choose the installation part. This is the default from program files, and the folder is JetBrains. Inside that PyCharm community edition, and here you can see the requirements. Space required is 768.5 MB, so that is yeah, good amount of size it is asking for. And click next to continue. Here you can see it is asking for create desktop icon, so I am saying yes, and create associations.py. Yeah, file path to path directory, that is not required. Yeah, let me click next. Yeah, click install. Yeah, you can see the details, what are all things are getting installed. It is downloading and extracting the DLLs and the supporting files. It may take 1 or 2 minutes depending on your bandwidth. Yeah, it is about to complete. It is still in progress. Yeah, this installation is completed. You can check this checkbox run PyCharm community edition so that it will open the PyCharm editor. You can just finish and you can close this setup wizard, and you can start from your start menu or from the desktop. We already selected for creating the icon, shortcut icon. This is a PyCharm community editions icon, desktop shortcut. Double click this one, it will open. And yeah, as of now, what we have done is we have downloaded the PyCharm IDE from their official website, and we installed into Windows 10 desktop. Now we'll see whether this IDE is working or not for Python development. We write a hello world program. Yeah, here it is asking for settings, import settings. Previously I had this PyCharm, so that's the reason it is asking. Click OK. Yeah, now next plugins, let me click. Yeah, so it is setting up and new project. So I am clicked plus button to create new project, and I am choosing a different folder. Actually it is going to C user folder. I will select my own folder, so I am going to D drive. Inside that I will create one folder. for this workspace, PC workspace, let's say PyCharm workspace. Click OK. You can create whatever you wish. Yeah, I selected this workspace, and Python is choosing from programs and Python 3.8. So to run PyCharm, we need a Python. So whether you can install Python directly or you can install Anaconda, try to this one, so that PyCharm editor will use Python to compile and run your applications. Just create this project and you can start using PyCharm IDE. Yeah, just close this. Yeah, this is very good editor for Python development. It has a lot of features like a code syntax highlighting and auto suggestion if you are typing some string, some method name from the APIs. Yeah, setup is completed. Let me maximize this one so that it is visible for everyone. I am in presentation mode for this, and here you can create your own file, new, and from this new file, and the file name, let's say hello world.py. I am creating, and let's say just print. Without any methods we can write Python code. So welcome to YouTube channel Java Beam. Okay, yeah, this is done. Let me run this program. So to run, we need to go to top menu, run, and from that it is asking to run main program or other programs. So if you are running main program, you can use this, but I am running my own file, so I am choosing this one. Here I can choose my file, which file. So hello world.py is my file. I am selecting this one and click, and here you can see in console, welcome to my YouTube channel Java Beam. Let me write some functions. Definitely say hi, and input some string, str name something. Okay, and here I am printing hello, welcome, and some name. So str name here I will display, and just save, and same thing to run. Go to run menu, and now it is showing run hello world. Click OK. But we created method, but we are not calling. So that's the reason it is not executed. Let me execute. So say hi and pass one name, Java, let's say Python, and save and run. Yeah, so now we got two messages. One is from top print, other is calling a function, say hi function, which is displaying the name hello welcome Python. Yeah, this is how we can use PyCharm IDE for your Python development. Hope you understood how to install and how to use PyCharm IDE for your Python development. If you have any queries, you can post in below comment section, and please do subscribe my channel to get the latest updates. If you have any queries or any conceptual if you want to know, you can post me as well. Yeah, that's all. Bye for now. signing off.